Hello everyone, welcome back to Khmerue Teams Official Channel. Today I'm CHHUOY again and I will teach you how to make intros with your smartphone device. So the app that you need to do with that, it is called One Intro. So you need to download it from Play Store or App Store. Just like write its name like this. And then click on that and you will see this logo here that is called One Intro or Intro Maker or Outro Maker. So go ahead and download it. After you have been already downloaded, it will available for opening up like this. And now go to the first screen. Go to the first page. The first page it look like this, and there is one. This is called reveal intros or outro is here. So if you want outro or intro, you need to make sure that which one is you really want to use. For me, I want to take you how to make an outro just like that. So I will show you this outro version. And when you're scrolling up like this, I will see a lot of templates here. So you can choose one among of that if you like it. So click on that. And waiting to see some apps, and you will skip it. Just click on the cross mark on the top right hand side, like I did it before. And it looks like very professional. It here, and now it is your template. You can change everything inside this template by clicking on edit here in the part below. Okay, and now I'm gonna stop it, and on the below bottom of this app you will see the text, image, sticker, music and background. So the first you need to change the text by clicking the text here, and now we're gonna change it to whatever that you want to. For example, I'm gonna use my name just like that. Okay, 13E. And then you will see the take two. Take two, it means the place that inside the Instagrams here. Here's the take one and the take two is here. So you can change it also by select it and change it to whatever you want. Okay, like that. And the text 3 is here. It's a Twitter. So go ahead, delete and change it. Just like that. After you have been already changed about this text, there are 4, but we only see the 3 text. So we don't need to do the number 4 with that. So after you have been already changed like this, we need to click on the back icon here, and you have to test it. It is working or not. If you see something is working, it means you are fine. And it looks like very professional, and you can drag it like this to the first of the page to make it easy to change, just like that, and then click pause for a while. And now it is your turn to change your logo or change your okay, it is your turn to change the logo image. So you need to click on image here, and you will see the word change here. When you click in the change like this, you will see it look like this, but but you need to pick up your own here on the left hand side. And now you will see the gallery here. Click on galleries and waiting to skip some ad here. Okay. After you click on that, you will see this icon on the left hand side, and you will see the photo here. So select on that and go ahead. And now click to your logo. For example, I'm using a PNG file because a PNG is look very good and professional. And here you can split or you can crop your image too. So if you think you see something is nothing bad or it's still working good, you don't need to do anything with that. So go ahead and click on the check mark on the right hand side here. And now we go to place this one again. So what is wrong? It looks like the logo is very small, right? So you need to play it again and pause this. Okay, pause this. Pause in this point because that can make you to change by clicking on image and drag the picture that you want to. For example, I drag it like this because it already have a drag mark here. Okay. And now go to play it again. Okay, everything is fine now. To make sure that it is still in good standing, you need to play at least 2 times of that. So, okay. And now we already do it. And the top right hand side, you will see the save button that it is in blue, it is in the green screen, save, just like that. This one is asking you that do you want to remove watermarks or not. So if you want to remove watermarks, you need to pay monthly for that. And if you don't want to remove watermarks, you don't need to pay. So, and I'm going to click no. And if you don't want to remove watermark, you can download only 2 smaller files. One is 480p, and the normal video is 360p. So if you want a pro version, you need to buy a monthly. So I am not using a pro version. I am using a trial version. So I use the path the box below. So you choose one, and then you have to wait for it to exporting to your device. So you have to wait a few seconds while it is exporting. When it is exporting already, you will see it here, so you can play it and waiting to skip the ad. Okay, and I'll play it again. It looks like everything is in portrait mode or landscape mode. So you click on no watermark here. if you want to use know what to mark, you need to pay every month $4.99. So you don't need to. If you don't want to pay it, you click on the share icon here and go to chat again on your messenger, and then click send it to your account. Okay, click on that, and it already sends now. Now go back. Okay, go back, and now we're going to find that video inside a storage device. So click on the photo gallery here. If you cannot see it, you can find other place that have this photo gallery here. You will not able to see it because this file need to be a pro version, but we already sent it to the messenger. So click on your messenger and then click here, and here is the video file. So you can save it to your device. So you have to wait for it because it's depending on your internet speed. And now go ahead and hold it. I'm sorry for my bad voice. And then you will see the save video here. So click on save, and then now we're gonna check back to the gallery. And here is the video that you have created. Okay. It's working very good now. So thank you for watching this video tutorial. Thank you.